Hey everyone, welcome back. If your Windows PC is running out of storage and you have no idea why, it's usually large hidden files taking up space. In this full guide, I'll show you how to find big files and free up storage step by step in 2026. First, open Windows Settings and go to Storage. This gives you a quick overview of what's using your disk space. Here you can see categories like apps, documents, and temporary files. This helps you quickly identify what's using the most space. Click on Show More Categories or Storage Details. Look for large files or heavy folders inside each category. Now open File Explorer and use the search bar. Type size : large to find big files on your PC. You can also sort files by size in any folder. Just click View and choose Details, then sort by size. Your Downloads folder is often the biggest storage eater. Go through it and remove large unnecessary files. Run Disk Cleanup. It removes temporary files, system cache, and other junk that builds up over time. Some apps store large hidden files. Check folders like App Data if you need deeper cleanup. If you find apps you don't use, uninstall them. Some games and software take up tens of gigabytes. Finally, enable Storage Sense. It automatically removes temporary files and keeps your storage clean. And that's it. Follow these steps and you'll easily find and remove large files taking up space on your Windows PC.